Hey GED students, this is GED teacher Damon Tenen, and in this video we're going to cover the area of a triangle. So what we're covering here is basic GED math geometry, and we're looking specifically at area of a triangle. As you know, on this channel every Thursday we drop a new video, and we point you to some tools such as worksheets. If you're a member of the channel, you get those as part of your membership. And then we also point you to workbooks that we have available that you can get to really help you to understand the skills that we are going to cover from week to week. So let's go ahead and jump in. So today we're going to be talking about area of triangle. And so we want to start with the formula. And so the formula for area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. And so this is the base of the triangle right here. And then I'll draw a dotted line. And that's the height of the triangle. Okay? And so the area, to find the area, and so the area is really focusing in this area here on the blue, what's inside. So the area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. And so I have some sample problems here on the screen just to get us warmed up. So the first one here, number 1, would be 1/2 times the base, which is 10, times the height, which is 22. So 10 times 22, of course, is 220. And then half of that would be 110. So that very first one there, the area would be 110. And so that would be square inches or square feet or whatever measurement you're looking at. Let's go ahead and look at the second one. So again, we have the area equals 1/2 base times height. So 1/2, in this case, the base is 20 and the height is 35. So in this case, we have 35 times 20, which is 700. And so 1/2 times 700 gives us 350. So the answer for that one would be 350 square feet, square inches, again, whatever you're specifically looking at. So every time we come together in these videos, we're trying to make sure that you have the skill, and then we want to take you to the word problem. So let's jump into the next slide for that. So here we are at the word problem. And remember, everything that we've just learned in the skill is now going to be applied here in the word problem. So in this case, here's our question. Dunto, Flynn, and Oakton are known as the Triangle Cities. Approximately how many square miles lie within the triangle formed by these three cities? So up here you have Dunto, down here you have Flynn, and over here you have Oakton. So you can see these three cities do form a triangle. That's why they're called the Triangle Cities. And then we're also given the miles between these cities. So 22 miles from Dunto to Flynn, and 35 miles from Flynn to Oakton, and 40 miles from Oakton back up to Dunto. All right, so now every time we look at a word problem, remember we're doing the 2 steps. So we're going to ID the question, and so we're looking for how many square miles. So I'm just going to put here how many square miles, and then we're going to step 2, which is state our path. Okay, so the information that we've been given is it's a triangle. So we're going to put that there. It's a triangle. And then we know the area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height because we're looking for square miles. So that's how we know we're looking for area. And then we're going to identify the base, which is 35. It's the base. And then the height. So that's the base down here. Remember, the base is always here. And then the height is here. And so the height is 22. So we're going to identify that as the height. So now we've identified our question. We're looking for how many square miles are in here. We identify that it's a triangle. We identified the area of a triangle. We identified the base, which is 35. We identified the height, which is 22. So now we're going to plug these numbers into the formula. 1/2 base times height. So 1/2 base 35 times height 22, which gives us 770, and then 1/2 times 770 gives us 385 square miles. So in this case, you get a different little color for emphasis. So in this case, that's our answer. And then we would come over here and choose 385 square miles as our answer. So again, as we're cycling through and as we spend time every month, my goal is to help you build your GED skills. And I'm going to do that by putting these skill videos and then connecting them to the word problem. So if I go back a screen, you see here, we're focusing on the skill. How do you actually do that? What's the height of a triangle? What's the base of a triangle? And then we come back over here, we see some text and a picture, which is classic GED style. Some text and a picture, and work together and pull out this information. And again, if you follow my two-step method, you will have put yourself in the best position to get these questions correct. So again, this has been GED Teacher Damon Tennant. If you like this video, please like it. If you want to subscribe, please hit the subscribe button. That way you'll get these videos every Thursday when they come out, and you'll be able to have them for your own use. And then also join the channel. If you join the channel, I put together a worksheet packet that comes to you as part of your membership fee, and which is nothing. It's $4.99 a month to become a member of this channel. But what that does is give you the worksheets. And if that's not for you, you know, the workbook is available. So the basic math workbook covers this skill and all the other skills that we've been talking about here all month. And so that might be an option for you too. That's available in a digital copy or also in a hard copy. And that's available at www.mygedlive.com. Thanks for watching, and look forward to seeing you next week.